Hi there, it's Paul Clevitt from Wolf Software Systems, and I'm going to demonstrate a new product that we've got. It's called, it's basically a QR code generator, but it's pretty cool. And what it allows us to do is a number of functions. One of the things it allows you to do is create a QR code, and when someone clicks it, it'll download your company contact information and logo onto their device. So it's ideal if you're going to a business function, or you want people to get your contact details without having to. If you give them a business card, it'll go in their folder, they'll throw it away. Whereas if it gets on their phone, that's far more effective. And also it allows you to set up URL contact codes, and I'll show all that very soon. So the website is vbc.wolf.uk.com, which stands for virtual business card.wolf.uk.com. So if we go to login, I'm going to log into my account. You need to sign up for an account, obviously, and this is the code. It says QR code used 1,200 times. That's actually the download of these details. There's nothing private here, so I can show you this. So basically, you just fill in your details like this. You upload a logo, and then you go to download, and it'll automatically generate a QR code. Now, when that QR code is scanned, it'll download a special file that will load your contact details and your logo and everything onto the user's device. Now it also has a facility to generate a link to a website, so if I put in wolf.uk.com, which is our main company website, you'll see it'll change, and that would just link to there. So it's ideal if I was going to do some promotion on a poster or something and I want people to go to my website, I can then just use that QR code. And when you download it, the thing about these codes is that they're really useful because you can use them in anything. We use them in our email signatures now. And it's a way of getting our contact information onto people's devices. Now the other thing you can do is download a V-card, which is this thing here. If you attach that to your emails, things like Outlook and things, and mail clients can actually read those details and add much more contact information onto the user's email client than you'd normally get just by sending them an email. So they don't have just your name and your email address, they have all the details about your business and everything else, because you can actually put quite a lot into the system and change it around any time. So it's quite simple. Now we charge for it, obviously, because we have to run our servers, and the subscription at the moment is running at £5 sterling a month. Now the reason for that is that we host your special files and things like that. We actually host them. And so, and obviously we save your details, and it's a very easy way of building these QR codes with that nice image in the middle. And the thing about having your logo in the middle is it makes it much nicer than just presenting just a straight QR code. So there's a lot more tech going on in the background, and that's why we're charging. And it's a tiny amount, £5 a month. You barely notice it going out of your account. To have this facility, to be able to take this tool and this QR code and stick it anywhere you like, on your email, you can put it on posters, business cards, you can log into this on your phone. So you can log into this, go to the website on your phone, log in, have that displayed, and walk around a business meeting and go, take my contact details, instead of having to give out pieces of paper. So it's also good for the environment because it saves us printing lots of things when we can actually just display it. And obviously, I mean, if you print posters, you can put this QR code on there, and it's a really good tool. And because it stores all your details anyway, so you don't have to keep changing it. It's all in one place, and there's a managed subscription thing, so you manage your monthly subscription. It's automatic, comes off your card every month. There's not a lot to managing it. So that's that. Just to add to that, we've also got our main company, which is Wolf Software Systems, and we develop all kinds of weird and wonderful things, from social media sites to mobile apps to Proxmox servers. And there you go, there's an example of that, this on our contact. So instead of just having a form there, we've got a contact. They can photograph that. They don't have to type a phone number in or email, because all the details are on that QR code that is really easily generated. So I hope that's really helpful. Obviously, if you go to www.wolf-uk.com, go to resources and then virtual business card, or you can go directly to the website vbc.wolf.uk.com, and I'll put that into the bottom of this video. Thanks very much for watching.